Hello students, in this lecture we will learn obesity, its causes, consequences and diseases associated with it. So first we will understand what is obesity. So obesity is a condition in which excessive fat is deposited in the body. So obesity is a medical condition sometimes considered as a disease in which excess body fat has accumulated to such an extent that it can potentially have negative effects on health. Under normal condition, human body consists of essential fats in the cell membrane and tissues such as bone marrow, heart, lungs, kidneys, liver, spleen, intestines, skeletal muscles and central nervous system. So it is required for the physiological functions of the body. Adult males have 3% and females 12 to 15% of essential fats. So what is the storage site of fat or lipid in our body? So it is the subcutaneous layer of the skin. With increasing age, the amount of stored fat increases, but the essential fat remains constant. Adult males have 15 to 20% of fats, whereas adult females have 20 to 25% of fats. Then we will see causes of obesity. First, the genetic cause of obesity. So, involvement of genes in weight gain increases the susceptibility to develop obesity. People with high LPL activity, that is lipoprotein lipase activity, they are specially efficient to store fat. Obese people have more LPL activity in their fat cells than lean people. So fat is stored in the subcutaneous layer of the body in the adipose tissues. Then physiological factors. So men, they are more prone to deposition of fat on belly and chest region, while in females fat deposition area are hips and thighs. Fat deposition in subcutaneous layer in certain areas like breasts and other parts is required for reproductive capacity. Then dietary habits. When the intake of fatty substances is more, the excess fat is stored in adipose tissues. So overeating, irregular eating pattern, nibbling heavy junk food in between meals contributes to obesity. Alcohol consumption gives empty calories, resulting in extra fat to the body. Then physical activity. Increased and improved modes of transportation as well as increased mechanization in household and workplaces has contributed to an increase in the sedentary lifestyle. These result in more energy gain and negligible energy spent. Prior to mechanization, man was involved in a lot of physical activities, resulting in a lot of calories being used up. So because of mechanization, so burning of calories is reduced. So the cases of obesity has increased. Then psychological factors. Psychological factors, they are often responsible for obesity. Bored, depressed and lonely persons may tend to eat more. Tension, anxiety, fear, humiliation are also found to be associated with obesity. Then social and cultural influence. Attending parties, peer group pressure, religious practices, various media play an important role in promoting fast food and junk food, which is usually loaded with fats, resulting in obesity. Then, endocrinal or hormonal influence. So, conditions which are related to endocrine glands like hypothyroidism, Cushing's disease, PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease, hypothalamic tumors cause weight gain. In females, sex hormones play a very important role in weight gain. Weight gain in females is usually post pregnancy. So, a lot of reproductive hormones are involved in the weight gain post pregnancy. Then, lack of education or awareness. People who are not aware of their diet, they can cause or become obese because of faulty eating habits. Then we will see consequences of obesity. So there are many diseases associated with obesity. So functioning of various vital organs like heart, liver, kidneys may be affected by the excess fat in the body. The weight bearing joints like the knees, hips and ankles are affected. It also increases the risk of chronic diseases as fats are stored in those organs. Obese person also leads to lowered fertility.